What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do when you get up there? Come here, Nick. Come here. Come over here. Come on. Uh-huh. Now what? Nick. Come here. Look. Come here. Want to come sit in this chair? Come on. Come on over here. Uh-huh. Oh, monkey boy. Hi. Well, he's already fallen off the other side, so we'll see if he learned his lesson. Nick, come here. Come on. Come here. Do you want this? Nick. Nick. Come here. Come get it. Come on. Come on, come get that. Come on. Come here. Do you want it? Come on. Come on, come walk. Come on. Oh, it's more fun to climb, he says. More fun to climb. Come here, Nick. Look. Come on. Come on.
What a nice day.
Nico. Come on. Alright. Guess there's not much too exciting gonna happen. Oh, come on. Come here, Nick. Nick. Yeah. You gonna get up on the couch now? This is a new one. Ain't that what he wanted? Nick, come here. Come on, what you got? What you got? He knows right where to point it. Haja. Haja, yeah, I see. He's pretty proud of him.